It's remarkable to me how many companies don't view software as part of their critical infrastructure. You think of the hardware, you think of the physical plant as things you need to mitigate risk to and ensure. Nobody thinks of software that way. Have you found that?
Yeah, and it's interesting too, just how quickly your organization can change, and the organizations of our clients change, such that the software that was, customized or even built for that specific purpose, it changes pretty frequently, and so the software really has to change in response to that, because pretty soon you have some software now that's working against you as opposed to working for you, which can be a pretty irritating thing if you just go and ask the end users of that software if it's doing what it needs to do.
Absolutely. Even if the needs haven't changed, still the software needs to be kept up to date.
Right.
Security is such a top of mind topic these days, but it's not just security. It's maintenance, it's expandability. As your business needs change, is this old software that you have able to adapt to your new business needs?
Yeah, I'm glad you said that, because it's not just security, and it's not just an outdated feature set that's not doing what we need it to do, right? But it's regulation, it's legislation that changes, right? And all of a sudden, we're not doing what we need to be doing from a software perspective because we have to save this differently, we have to send this differently, and everything around the software environment changes so rapidly. You have to be ready to respond to it, and you've got to think about it that way too, right? Like, we have to be ready to change with this other stuff that's going on.
And you have to find someone who can come in and help you with that. A lot of companies, they just don't know where to start. They don't know how to make those judgments.
Right.
So I think we're very good at that, at coming in and finding those risks and the holes that might be there in the software design. It's
an advantage of being a custom software provider, just because we do work with a lot of different clients in a lot of different industries, and so even if this type of thing hasn't crept into what you're doing, we may have seen it over here in this space, and so it has given us kind of a wide breadth of what to look out for different challenges that might come into your organization.
So contact Mainstream Technologies. We'll be happy to come do a software checkup for you and tell you how to improve your software situation.